I went into college thinking I wanted to be in television production, which is very far from where I am now, but I took an intro to psychology class at Hope College and fell in love with it. Couldn't stop studying it, couldn't stop learning about it, and knew really from that moment that psychology was what I was meant to do. I specialize in pediatric psychology, which is treating children with chronic health issues and then the psychological factors that go along with being chronically or acutely ill. So I really only work in the hospital with patients who are admitted at that time. So I help them through coping with new diagnosis, coping with chronic illness and all that goes along with that. I help kids who are scared, being separated from their families or from their homes, and then just co-occurring issues like depression and anxiety, pain conditions, somatic complaints and that sort of thing. I think within our field it's critically important to have good communication. I don't think a child's going to open up and talk about the things that are really going on in their lives or in their minds without a really strong basis of trust. So I spend a lot of time in the beginning with my patients building rapport, just getting to know them, letting them get to know me until they're feeling comfortable and are willing to really talk about some of those more difficult subjects. What I would like them to think that they're going to get is someone who is really there to be supportive and to listen, and is an advocate for either the family's needs or the patient's needs within the hospital. I think our hospital obviously does a great job treating the medical conditions that the children come in for, but my job is to really address the emotional needs, and I think that's just as important sometimes, and even sometimes more important, as the medical needs. And so just someone who's going to be really understanding and compassionate to some of the underlying issues that are going on. My name's Amy Pugh. I'm a pediatric psychologist here at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital.